I gave AI the same marketing brief I did give my team at Maxbe Marketing, same budget, same timeline, same client's goal. And then I watched to see if AI could actually do what a marketing agency does. Could it create a full campaign strategy? Write compiling story, write compiling copy, analyze data and optimize, handle client communication? The results were surprising and honestly a little uncomfortable, because if you are running an agency, freelancing, or thinking about starting a marketing business, that test reveals exactly where AI is a threat, where it's a tool, and where humans are still absolutely irreplaceable. Let's get into what I found. Hey, I am Bisho, also known as CP Bisho. I run Maxbe Marketing and I have been in digital marketing since 2021. And look, this video is not about hype or fear. It's about reality of everyone's either saying AI will replace everything or AI cannot do anything real. Both are wrong. So I designed a real test and took an actual client project, a small e-commerce business looking to increase sales throughout content marketing and SEO. And I ran two precise campaigns. Campaign A, my teams at Maxbe Marketing, me, Pulse to freelancing. Campaign B, AI tools doing the same work, ChatGPT, Jasper, Software SEO, and Canva AI feature. Same budget, same timeline, same success metrics. Here's what you will learn today. First, what AI actually did well, and it surprised me. Second, where AI completely failed. Third, the hybrid approach, that's probably the future. And finally, what this means for your career or business. If you are in marketing or thinking about it, hit the subscribe button. I test the real stories. You don't have to guess what works. Alright, let's break it down, the test. So here's what the client needed. A 3-month content marketing campaign to increase organic traffic and sales for their sustainable home goods e-commerce store. Deliverables: 12 SEO optimized blog posts, social media content, 3 posts per week, email marketing sequence, welcome series, plus 2 promotional campaigns, monthly performance reports, budget 2,500, total success metrics: 50% increase in organic traffic and 20% increase in the sales priority, standard small business marketing projects. Campaign A, human team. I handle that client communication on freelancer, write content, another manage social media and email. Campaign B, AI team. I use ChatGPT for strategy and content writing, validation and social copy, Jasper for optimization, and Canva AI for social graphics. I still did client communication because you can't hand that to AI without it being wired. Everything else, AI. And here's what I want to be clear about. I am decent at using AI. I have spent months learning prompts, understanding limitation, and testing output. There is not a type on the system. This is not a type sentence and see what's happened. Test and I give every advantage. Now let's see what happened. First thing that shocked me, speed. My human team took about 46 hours to research and write the highest quality blog post. AI? 20 minutes, including SEO optimization. Now, before you panic, there's a catch, you will got it. But the raw speed was undeniable. For social media content, AI generated a month's worth of points in the hour. Headlines, captions, hashtag, suggestion, all done. If your only metrics is how much content can I produce, AI wins by instable. Here's where AI genuinely impressed me. I found it clients' Google Analytics data and asked it to identify the patterns and recommended focus areas. It gets the things faster than I might have manually. It identified that blog posts about SEO-friendly kitchen products were getting 3x more engagement than other categories. And it recommended doubling down there. That was solid strategic insight based on data. For keyword research, AI processed headings or keywords, organized them by difficulty, search volume and revenue faster than any human could. Back in when I worked as a mechanic in 2018 and 2019, we had domestic tools that could scan an engine and identify the problems in minutes that might take hours manually. AI feels like that for a marketing, great at scanning, identify patterns and scheduling next step based on data. One more thing, AI accelerated at consistency. Every blog post followed the same structure. Every social post matched for the brand files, guidelines, and have it. Every email had proper formatting. Humans got tired. Humans have off days, humans forget guidelines, AI does not. If you give a clear instruction, it follows them perfectly every single time. For businesses that need consistent on-brand content at scale, that's valuable. So AI is perfect, right? We can all go home, not even close. Here's the first major problem. When I asked my human team to create a content strategy, they researched the client's competitors, identified the gaps in the market, and come up with a unique angle. Zero waste home shops to busy parents. When I asked AI to do the same thing, it gave me generic advice, create additional content, focus on sustainability, target eco-consistent consumers. Nothing wrong with that advice, but nothing unique either. AI is trained on existing content it can remix and recognize, but it struggles to create genuinely new angles that have not been done before. In marketing, differentiation is everything, and AI keeps giving me the same ideas everyone sells already has. Second big feature, emotional connection. My human writer created a blog post about a mom who switched to reusable product after her kid asked, "Why do we throw so much away?" That story is restarted. People communicated, they shared it, they said it made them rethink their habits. AI version, many failures are choosing the sustainable products to reduce waste and perfect the environment for the future generations. Technically accurate, completely forgettable, AI can metric emotional language. It can use words like heartfelt and inspiring, but it cannot actually feel anything. And readers can tell the human written content had 4x more engagement than the AI written content, even when both were optimized for SEO. Third problem, AI does not understand context at a way humans do. One of our blog post was about sustainable creating products. AI suggests linking on article about toxic chemicals in homes. Technically related, but the tone was fair-based and don't mess our clients positive. Empowering brand voice human water would catch that AI struggled with knowing when to break rules. SEO-based principles say use keywords in the first 100 words, but something starting with the compiling still works better even you don't mention the keywords right away. Humans understand that rules are guidance. AI treats them as absolutes. And finally, client communication. I could not head this up to AI. Every time the client asked a nuanced question or ways to adjust studying mid-campaign, I hate to handle it. AI can generate response, but it can't read between these lines. It can sense where a client is frustrated and needs resourcefulness. It can build trust. That reminds me of something I learned when my World Winner CPA project failed in 2023. I don't build what I throw out people needed without actually listening to what they were telling me the needed. AI has that same problem. It responds to what you say, not what you mean. Okay, so after 3 months, here's how both campaigns perfect. Campaign A, human team, 50% increase in organic traffic, hit the goal exactly. 28 increase in sales, expanded 20% on goal. Client satisfaction 9 point out of 10. 9 out of 10. Campaign B, AI team, 35% increase in organic traffic, below goal. 12% increase sales, below goal. Time save, significant, about 60% faster production. So AI lost, but not by as much as I expected. And here's what's interesting. And the AI campaign was cheaper. We missed pure ROI on the time money spent. AI come close. Here's my honest take after running these tests. AI can replace a marketing agency, but it can replace a bad marketing agency. If your value just we will post on social media 3 times on a week, write some blog post. AI can do that now. Far away, cheaper, but if your value is strategy or personality, emotional intelligence, relationship building, and nudged decision making, you are irreplaceable. The agency and marketers who will win in the next 5 years and the ones who use AI as a tool do the repetitive work faster so they can spend more time on creative, strategic, and human work that can do. That's the future, not AI versus human, but humans amplified by AI. After this test, here's how I am using AI at Maxbe Marketing. AI handle fast draft blog post content. I edit and add stories, personality, data analytics, pattern, recurrent social media post, various options keyword, and research and technical work, repetitive email sequence humans handle. Strategy and positioning client relationships are communication editing by AI content for voice and emotion creative concepts and unique angles. Final, quality control. This hybrid approach cuts the production time by about 40% without significant sacrificing quality. We are getting AI efficiently with human judgment. If you are worried about AI taking your job, here's what to focus on. Double down on strategic thinking, seeing opportunities with AI misses. Storytelling and emotional connection, client relationship building, creative differentiation, ethical judgment calls learn to use. AI writing tools, prompt engineering is a skill. AI analytics tools, AI design tools don't compete with AI. Collaborate with it. The marketers who survive are the ones who can do what AI can and use AI to amplify what they are already good at. Look, I know the AI conversion can be scary if you are marketing, but here's what I learned from this test. AI is a tool, not a replacement. The agencies and freelancers getting replaced are the ones who were already delivering mid-code. Cookie cutter work if that's your business model. Yes, you should be worried, but here's it focused on strategy, creativity, and relationships, and real results. You are more valuable than ever because now you have been AI to handle the to-do list stuff, or you can focus on what actually matters. Your action steps, learn how to use AI in your workflow. Don't ignore them, double down on the skills AI cannot replicate. Strategy, storytelling, relationship, position yourself as the human layer that makes AI outputs actually valuable. Test hybrid approaches in your own work. Don't fear AI. Use it now. I want to hear from you. Are you using AI in your marketing world? What's working and what's not? Drop your experience in the comments. Let's figure out this together. If you have found this video valuable, hit the like button. It helps more marketers see this honest breakdown. And you went to more real tips and honest takes to what's actually working in digital marketing. Subscribe. I run experiments so you can learn from what works and what does not. I am Bisho, founder of Maxbe Marketing, and AI did not replace my agency, but it did make it better, and that's probably that future for all of us. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.